Buog.
Oo na po. And then, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo, ito si Enchong talaga sa lahat ng nangyari. Alam niyo, sobrang blessed ako to have him in my life. Na talagang, through thick and thin, ito yung totoo, na talagang kahit anong oras, kahit anong araw, isang tawag lang, isang text lang, nandiyan na yan siya, come running. Siya yung totoong one call away. One call away. Ayun, so thank you. Mahal kita.
Si Desal, I'm very happy for you for everything na nangyari sa kanya. And then, this thing happened. Tapos, nung nag-text siya one day, sabi niya, uy, labas naman tayo ganyan. Sabi ko sa kanya, alam ko, dalawa lang ibig sabihin nun. Either you're single or you're getting married. So now that she's single, sabi ko, you know, katulad nga nun, dito lang kami, ang mga kaibigan mo. And maraming love teams dyan na parang, ngayon lang, sweet kasi nagtatrabaho together, but after nun, wala na. Katulad nung sinabi ko sa inyo siguro 8 years ago, I will always be here for Erich, I will always be a friend to her, and I will always love her. That's the kind of relationship, that's the kind of love team we have. And, again, guys, thank you very much. And I'm sorry if we weren't able to make it kanina kasi may mga sumingit na schedule. It was my fault, pero thank you kasi tinuloy niyo pa rin.
Once again, thank you so much talaga, and I hope this is not gonna be the last time that we'll see all of these beautiful faces. Tomorrow ulit ha? Yes? Namuna ka, Daniela, yes? Yes. Yun, so sobrang thank you talaga. Masaya ako to see you all here. Thank you. Hindi ka talaga my forever with Enchong. Totoo yan. And I thank God dahil may mga kaibigan akong katulad niya. At kayo rin. Thank you so much for everything. At mahal na mahal namin kayo. God bless you all. Thank you.
Kiss!
Kiss now! Ano ba yan? Teka lang!
I can do it.
Hi guys! Ikaw naman daw! Lips! Okay! Huwag kang marupok ako ngayon! Marupok! Ikaw naman daw!
No love life for the meeting.
Oh!
Let it,
Let it go!
and then let all the pieces be put.
Ay! Okay! English! Bakit sa mga yan? Okay.